We're going to transform a pound of delicious, bright green Brussels sprouts into the most delectable roasted Brussels sprouts side dish. The thing that makes Brussels sprouts just so delicious is this crunchiness. We're starting by cutting 4 slices of bacon into strips. I like to cut my bacon when it is frozen. It makes it easier to slice. Take 1/2 of an onion, slice it into chunks. Trim the ends from each of the Brussels sprouts and cut them in half. If some of the leaves fall off, in my mind, that's a good thing because they become extra crunchy when they roast in the oven. Place the Brussels sprouts, the onions, and the bacon in a bowl. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. You're going to cook these Brussels sprouts in a very hot oven. Line your baking sheet with parchment paper for easy cleanup because you know you don't want to spend all day in the kitchen washing up the dishes. Sprinkle a couple of tablespoons of olive oil onto the mixture of the Brussels sprouts, the onions, and the bacon. And then you're going to toss into that a mixture of 1 teaspoon of kosher salt, a 1/2 teaspoon of ground black pepper, and a 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder. And then you know me, I like to get my hands in there and I want to toss this around. Now the reason that I'm doing this is I want to be sure that I have distributed both the oil and the seasonings well onto everything that is going to be going into this side dish. Turn your Brussels sprout mixture out onto your sheet pan and then spread it out. Take the time to turn your Brussels sprouts over. You want some room for the air to get around the Brussels sprouts and make them nice and brown. Place your sheet pan into your oven at about 15 minutes. I'm gonna take a fork and check for tenderness. Yes. Turn the Brussels sprouts over so they can get some color on the other side. And then back into the oven for another 10 to 15 minutes. Let's have a taste, shall we? And just see how crunchy these are. Can't stop eating. Now we're going to toss them and transfer them to the serving platter. The thing that makes Brussels sprouts just so delicious is this crunchiness. You want them to be browned. You want them to be crunchy. There's just so much flavor in them. Everybody will love them. And then I like to add a little sweetness and top them with some dried cranberries. Get a little pop of sweetness. So delicious.